We will learn how to download any video from any website on Chrome. For this, open Chrome, type video downloader professional extension. Click on first link, video downloader professional, Chrome Web Store. Click on add to Chrome. Click add extension. Wait for download to complete. Extension now has been added. Now open any website from which you want to download video. Like I open pexel.com. Here videos are free. You can download video from any website. Click on videos. Open any video like this. Now click on extension. It shows the version of the video to download. You can click on any version to download any quality. See, I click here. Now it asks for place where you want to store the video. Save. Video has been downloaded successfully. See.